I love a recipe that takes less than 30 minutes to make and is also high in protein, and Mapo Tofu is one of those recipes. So start off by preparing your aromatics by chopping garlic cloves and green onions and separating the white from the green. You're going to use the green part of the green onion as garnish. Then chop up your shallot. And for the tofu, I use 2 packages of soft tofu. Just preferred, you can use medium tofu or firm tofu. Don't use silken tofu as that will be too soft and it'll disintegrate in this recipe. When cutting up the tofu, you want to cut them into 1-inch pieces like so. I love how flavorful this recipe is and everything comes together in 30 minutes. So in a wok or a large skillet on medium-high heat, add sesame oil along with the garlic, the whites of the green onion, and the chopped shallots, and cook for a minute. Then add your ground pork, which is marinated for 15 minutes with just salt and pepper, and cook the pork until it's no longer pink, which is around 4 minutes. Then add chili bean paste, which you can get this at your local Asian supermarket or on Amazon. Then add gochugaru, which is a Korean chili powder. Then add low sodium soy sauce along with sugar and Sichuan peppers that have been crushed, and kosher salt with fish sauce and oyster sauce. Then you're going to want to add 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth along with mushroom powder. And then for the thickener for the sauce, I like to use a tablespoon of cornstarch that's mixed with 1/4 cup of water. You're going to want to mix this first and then add it to the skillet. Mix everything together thoroughly and add your tofu and fold it into the sauce. You want to be gentle with this so that you don't crush all of the tofu pieces. Then turn the heat up and bring it to a boil. Then reduce heat to low. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. And remove this from the heat and you are ready to serve. This recipe is perfect to eat with steamed rice, garnished with your chopped green onions, and you have a delicious meal.